we're going to go back to the beginning. And the first time we met Brittney. Came over to visit, and the typical Jake's going to introduce and stuff, and we visited for a while, and as they were getting ready to leave, we said, "Brittney, you think we'll see you again?" She said, "Oh yeah, I think so." So the next time they came over, and you kind of noticed that they kept smiling. Every time they look at each other, they were smiling. I said, "That's really." It's not strange, but not that many people just look at each other and smile. So they just kept smiling, and it kept getting worse. The next time they come over, they're laughing, and I can say that they probably both have a little quirky sense of humor, but they both were laughing, and I got to thinking about it, and it's cool, but I couldn't remember the last time I'd seen Jason laugh. So it was really cool. And I guess the first toast, I'd like to say thank you for making Jason laugh again. One toast. And then I have one more story. I was talking to Jackson. This was after they had been together for a while. And Brittney was staying over there at Jason's house, and it happened to be there was a storm, and I know the kids, they would get a little bit scared in a thunderstorm, and I said, "Jason, did you get scared last night when there was a storm?" He says, "Yeah, I really did." He said, "I got scared." So I said, "What'd you do?" He said, "Well, I went into Gigi's room." I said, "Well, was Gigi scared?" He said, "Well, yeah, Gigi was scared too. But Mom came in and laid with us. So thank you for being a mom. And welcome to our family."
From the first time I saw you, I knew that I was going to marry you if I was lucky enough. You were the most amazing mother, the best role model, and the most caring person any child could call mom. That's just one of the reasons why I love you, not the reason why I want to marry you. I want to marry you because of who you are, not just what you do. You are genuine, funny, smart, and absolutely gorgeous. I will never want or ask you to change. I vow to stay faithful and loyal to you, to give you the attention you deserve, and to listen when you need me. I asked the kids what I should say when I'm up here. Gigi said, I should promise to love you and always take care of you. Jackson said, I need to say, I love you more. We will never stop laughing with each other and you laughing at me. We will always be goofy and do everything possible, and I will do anything just to see you smile. That includes hanging up home decorations at midnight. I will always hold true to these vows, even when times get tough. Your love is my weakness and my strength. I know we can accomplish more together than we ever could apart. I will sacrifice anything to keep these promises to you. I vow to always be by your side and to always love you more. Your husband.
From the moment I met you, I thought, wow, he needs a haircut. I knew under all of that hair, there was this extremely handsome man who is standing here in front of me today, taking me as his wife. When I met you, I thought, it really doesn't get better than this. But then I met Gigi and Jackson. And from that moment, I knew this was right where I wanted to be for the rest of my life. You chose me and accepted me as a partner, a mother to your children, and now a wife. I look around us and I see our friends and our family supporting us, and our beautiful children witnessing their parents say I do to a lifetime of unconditional love and laughter. For a man who deserves the world, I wish it were mine to give, but I promise to give you my world and all that goes with it. I vow to never intentionally hurt you. I promise to seek forgiveness and show compassion over my pride, hear you, heal you, and mend our relationship through trying times. I will promise to admit and right my wrongs, and still let you know when you're wrong. I vow to never break your trust. I will forever be your safe place and your sounding board. I will be your chef, your nurse, your best friend, and anything you need me to be. I will always be here. I vow to love all of you and never change you. I promise to help you grow and to grow with you. I will support you and never judge you. At our worst times, I will see the best in you. I vow to stay ourselves, be silly, keep you young, and never take life too seriously. I will make sure our days never end without saying I love you and sharing a kiss goodnight. I promise to choose you always, without hesitation. I will love you for the rest of my life without reservation, and my heart will forever be yours, your wife. This is for real.
I know it's real.
The wedding ring is a circle that has no end and symbolizes the never-ending love that exists between you. It's a symbol of the purity of your love for one another. May these rings always reflect the light of your love throughout your life together. May your love be as beautiful on each day as it is on this day of celebration. And may each day you share be as precious as the day when you first fell in love. May you always see and encourage the best in each other. May the challenges life brings your way make your marriage even stronger. And most importantly, may you always be each other's best friend and greatest love. Jason and Brittney, because you've committed yourselves to each other in marriage and demonstrated this by the exchanging of vows and the giving of rings, by the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Not real good at this, you know that? It's gonna be hard, but it's nice to see the love that the two of you have. And I just don't even know what to say. As a parent, that's all you can ask. For your daughter to be so much in love and to have a great family to be with. So with that, I just don't know what else to say because I don't think there is anything else to say. That I just love the two of you and have a great marriage.
I'm not a long-winded guy, but since the very beginning, Brittney came around, she always just kind of fit into our family. Everything was easy, nothing was hard. So I'm just gonna say, hey, welcome to the family. It's like you've always been here. Cheers.
Hi guys. Childhood from Florida. When Brittney first asked me to do this, she wanted me to share a story, and the first thing I told her was, "You sure about that?" I guess I'm just gonna keep it short like everyone else. I mean, you guys all meet Brittney. Like you said, the adjectives used for her, she's very magnetic. She attracts people. She's always been this way, I can confirm. I've known her for a long time. She's a great person. She's been my confident person I confide in and tell her my secrets. She wanted me to write something, but she's the person who edits my stuff too, so I can't ask her now, so I'm just gonna wing this along as we're going. Every single paper, except the med school exams, I took those. I don't know, I could be here forever talking about you, but I want to, thank Jason first too, because, you made her the happiest I've ever seen her in a long time. And I've seen some other situations where they weren't so good. So, thank you for that. I really appreciate that. And I know she's in good hands. So cheers to you guys.